I decided to come under here and check my voltage regulator, which is right next to the radiator under here and near the battery, as you guys can see. This guy right here, this thing is hot to the touch. This truck has not been driven for a week, and this thing is hot to the touch right now. And I literally just fired it up and let it idle for maybe 2 minutes, trying to see if those gauges would work. And as you guys saw, they didn't work. However, this thing is really, really hot. I'm wondering if that voltage regulator is bad. We may have to see what it's going to cost us, maybe hurry up and swap it out, see what that does to things. A quick disclaimer, these voltage regulators do get hot to the touch if the truck has been running, but it shouldn't be so excessive of heat that it's too hot to touch it. If it's that bad, you probably likely have a bad ground or a bad alternator that's overcharging it, or a bad connection inside that regulator that's making it faulty, causing it to get excessive heat. That's pretty rough. So this little guy, and it looks relatively new, but I mean, it's hot even right now. So we're gonna go get a new one, swap it out, see what happens. All right, so we went to the local O'Reilly. It's pretty old school. It still looks in great shape, but we're gonna see if it's bad, if that's the reason that we're having issues. We went and bought this guy, and there's the part number for you. And I'll pull it out and show you. They're quite a bit different. The new ones are a lot smaller. But this new part, 5361. So if you're gonna wanna put a new voltage regulator on the old 67 or thereabouts, you're gonna be spending about 55 bucks. They're real easy to swap out. It's unfortunate they're getting so expensive to get these little parts, but kind of interesting to see how much different the part is, because I was expecting something big, just like what we had. But when you look at them side by side, I mean, they are a lot. This new one's a lot smaller. It's got the same prongs. So we're gonna try and line this up. The holes all line up, but apparently they're just more efficient or something. So let's go do it. Kind of crazy, honestly. But, I mean, it is what it is, right? I guess we'll see if it fits. See if she lines up okay. We'll go ahead and take these two bolts and just hand tighten them into this radiator support. And looks like they're going to line up perfectly. So I think we're going to be good. Now we'll just go ahead and get these bolts torqued down. Make sure it stays nice and tight. And the last thing we got to do is replace this little connector. And that's it. Nice and easy, quick switch, and you're done. Hopefully this was helpful to somebody out there, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.